Hi students, I am Gulam Murtaza Sandhu, Senior Subject Specialist English. I have been teaching spoken English to higher classes since the last 32 years. Now the lesson is by Baidoa Online Languages and Health Science Academy. Please pay your attention to this lesson. This lesson is conversation in English language. Here there are two characters named Mary and David. Mary, hi, may I know your name please? David, hi, I'm David, how are you? Mary, I'm fine, thank you. Are you a new student here? David, yes, I'm a new student at Baidoa School. Slide number 2. Mary, where have you been studying before joining the school? David, I've been studying at Golden School before joining the school. Mary, who told you about this school? My friend John told me about the school. Number 3. Mary, that's great. Many students have learned English conversation from the school. David, why are you gonna learn English? Mary, I wanna learn English because it has become an international language. David, aren't the teachers kind here? Mary, the teachers care for the students here. Slide number 4, exercise. Question number 1, who is a new student at Baidoa School? Question number 2, what is David learning? Question number 3, why is David gonna to learn English? Thank you so much.